Confused about whether to invest? 5,000 rupees SIP versus 60,000 rupees lump sum, which is smarter for your budget? Choosing the right investment approach can significantly impact your financial future. Let's explore how these different strategies work and which might be better suited for your unique situation. Understanding investment strategies. Systematic investment plan. Regular, fixed investments spread over time. Ideal for steady income earners. Starts from as little as 500 rupees monthly. Lump sum investment. One-time, substantial investment. Suitable for windfall recipients. Requires larger initial capital. The SIP approach, 5,000 rupees monthly investment. Regular schedule. Fixed monthly commitment of 5,000 rupees. Cost averaging. Buy more units when prices fall. Reduced volatility. Smooths out market fluctuations. Career friendly. Perfect for salaried professionals. Advantages of SIP investment. Financial discipline. Creates consistent saving habits without requiring active management. Low entry barrier. Start with minimal amounts and scale up gradually. Flexible adjustments. Increase or decrease investment based on changing circumstances. Timing risk reduction. Eliminates need to time market entries perfectly. The lump sum strategy, 60,000 rupees one-time investment. Full market exposure. Immediate participation in market growth. Rising market advantage. Maximizes returns in bull markets. Capital requirement. Needs significant upfront funds. Risk tolerance. Requires comfort with market fluctuations. Lump sum investment benefits. Immediate market participation. Your entire capital works for you from day one. No waiting for future installments to be invested. Faster growth potential. In consistently rising markets, your full investment captures all available growth opportunities immediately. No ongoing commitment. Once invested, no need to maintain regular payment discipline. Perfect for one-time windfalls. Opportunity seizing. Can quickly capitalize on market dips or favorable investment conditions when they arise. Performance comparison. Risk management. SIP risk profile. Spreads risk across multiple purchase points. Reduces impact of market timing errors. Lump sum risk. Higher exposure to point-in-time market conditions. Greater potential for timing misfortune. Diversification. Spread investments across asset classes. Balance equity, debt, and other instruments. Personal factors. Consider your unique risk tolerance. Align with financial goals and time horizon. Financial goal alignment. Short-term goals. Vehicle purchase, vacation, emergency fund. Lower risk instruments, hybrid SIP approach. Medium-term goals. Home down payment, higher education. Balanced SIP portfolio with moderate risk. Long-term goals. Retirement, children's education fund. Equity-heavy SIPs or strategic lump sum. Taxation considerations. Investment type. Tax benefit. Holding period. Tax on gains. ELSS via SIP. Section 80C deduction up to 1.5 lakh rupees. 3 years. 10% above 1 lakh rupees. ELSS lump sum. Section 80C deduction up to 1.5 lakh rupees. 3 years. 10% above 1 lakh rupees. Equity funds. No direct tax benefit. 1+ year. 10% above 1 lakh rupees. Debt funds. No direct tax benefit. 3+ years. 20% with indexation. Market trends and insights. SIP contributions 2019. Monthly inflow as of May 2019. SIP contributions 2024. Monthly inflow as of April 2024. SIP accounts. Current count, up from 2.73 CR in 2019. Growth rate. SIP contribution increase in 5 years. Hybrid investment approach. Initial lump sum. Invest windfall or larger amount in debt fund. Systematic transfer. Set up SDP to move fixed amounts to equity. Regular SIP. Continue monthly SIPs from income. Periodic review. Adjust strategy based on market conditions. Practical recommendations. Assess your financial situation. Evaluate your income stability, existing savings, and investment goals. New investors with regular income should typically start with SIPs. Consider market conditions. In elevated markets, SIPs provide safer entry. During market corrections, consider lump sum investments if funds are available. Implement hybrid approaches. Deploy larger sums through STPs while maintaining regular SIPs. This combines benefits of both strategies while minimizing risks. Seek professional guidance. Consult with a financial advisor to tailor an investment strategy aligned with your specific goals and risk tolerance. Common mistakes to avoid. Market timing obsession. Trying to perfectly time markets often leads to missed opportunities and emotional decisions. Stopping SIPs in volatility. Pausing investments during market dips eliminates the cost-averaging benefit when it matters most. Lack of diversification. Putting all investments in a single fund or asset class significantly increases risk exposure. Short-term perspective. Focusing on temporary fluctuations rather than long-term growth potential leads to poor decisions. Your investment journey. Your investment journey is personal and evolving. Start early, stay consistent, and adjust as your life changes. Both SIPs and lump sum approaches have their place in a well-designed financial plan. Remember, the best investment strategy is one you can stick with through market cycles while progressing toward your financial goals. How to start your SIP investment. Begin your wealth creation journey with our comprehensive SIP investment webinar. Learn step-by-step setup procedures, fund selection strategies, and personalized investment approaches tailored to your financial goals. Register through the link in the description box to secure your financial future today.